Dear friends, today I am going to say about one of the great river, Narmada. The Narmada is one of the peninsular rivers that has its source in central India. The Narmada begins its journey from Amarkandak in Madhya Pradesh and winds its way through Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat to enter the Gulf of Kambach. The river has many waterfalls and tributaries, and numerous cities and towns flourish on its banks. Since ancient times, the river has always been an important link between the Arabian Sea and the Ganga River Valley. Today, it is known as the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. The river and its 41 tributaries quench the thirst of millions and irrigate almost 1 lakh hectare area in the state. The Narmada rises from Amarkandak in the Maigal ranges of Madhya Pradesh. It runs 1,312 kilometers and is the third longest river which has a course that is entirely within India. The river flows from east to west across Indian peninsula into the Arabian Sea. It emerges into the ocean at the point called Barong. The Narmada flows through the states of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, as well as along the border of Maharashtra and Gujarat. As a result, millions of people, including the tribal populations such as Gonds, Bhils, Sandals, and Kurkus, are heavily dependent on its water. The Narmada basin has numerous dams. They provide water for irrigation and hydroelectric power to both rural and urban areas. Thank you to all.